Hello friends and traders. Today we are discussing multi-time frame daily 3-day and 5-day chart. And what we need here, if I look at the tools, is 369 turn point picker, and then we have 4 future Bollinger Band with MACD. Everybody has these BB MACD tools. The way to trade this phenomena is to have, now remember, the BB MACD which we have is looking at the 4 futures at the same time, and it is doing some factorization and normalization as a composite. So looking at the chart of Oracle as it relates to 4 indices, since indices are bullish starting from this point, it is open up. So we just want to look at trading longs. Now on a 3-day chart, market pullback, and also 1-day chart, market pullback twice. So how do we operate on this? First we look at, are we above 0 or below 0? We are above 0 in all of 3 charts on BB and MACD. Daily above 0, weekly above 0, 3-day above 0. We typically do it on 3, 6, 9, 18 days chart, and we create a structure where we can see various cycles coming together. Now at this moment in time, since April, May, we are in a bullish phase. What opportunities did we get on a daily chart? So we want to look at this confluence turn picker to be below, close to -4 or +4. Since we are going bullish, we want it to come down to between -2, -3, -4. So -4 and closer right here. So this is the entry point. Now we know if I do this analysis exactly right here, look at the BB on both sides. All 3 sides are bullish. Weekly is strongly bullish, and there's a separation between the BB and MACD is extremely bullish. Second pullback on rotation came right here, and they're merging at this level. Now going back to 3-day chart, we had 1 trade. Now again, if you compare this chart with its higher confluence chart, 3-day and 5-day, which we are creating, 35 is 8, 8 is hidden 9, so that's what we do this. All right, so what is -2, -3 gets here, everything is bullish. We start looking at merging. Now this point is merging on daily. So we have confluence, one is at -3.5, this is -2.5. 7, 8, 9 frequencies. So on this day, right here, on this 3-day chart, we got a nice pullback. So on daily, you got 2 signals. On 3-day, you got 1 signal. On a weekly, the signal came right at the bottom. At this point, the MACD BB did not turn yet. So the turn happened here. But at this point, you can see we had the 3-day telling us low is coming. Now at this point, watch this 3 chart at this point. They all have the bottoms on the turn picker. And that is what we are looking for to trade effectively in the direction of things. So if I do Tesla, is bullish. So in Tesla on daily chart, how many signals do we get to buy? It is bullish. I'm going to take longs only. Yeah, it is turning down, but weekly is, everything is bullish. So now I'm looking at the market versus 4 future markets versus, I'm tracking Dow Jones, Nasdaq, EOS, and Russell, and they are overall bullish. What is the trade for Teslas? Right here. So let's pinpoint those trades. and wrap up this video. Friends and traders, so here we are. We got all the impulses going in the direction of the market bias picked up beautifully. Now, before we depart, we look at the weekly. Weekly, this is BB and this is MACD. It is separated out. So it is up. Strength is so strong. The trend is so strong. Strength is dictated by, is it above both of these bands? It is. Same thing, we could have detected the market strength has gone down. Coming on a weekly chart, look at this guy. Market was going up. So this is on a weekly chart, this is a short. On a weekly chart, this is a short. On a weekly chart, this is a short as well. And they are $100 moves on weekly chart. And now we have some divergence. The price and the volume accumulation is going on. And there's a divergence between MACD. So at the lower ends of this confluence, and look at this lower ends of this price, they are diverging, showing strength in the market. Now if you look at this BB, right here, and right here, there's divergence in the spot. So when market is going to get inside these bands, we need to make a decision right here. Is it going to come and bounce up, or is it going to go down? Look at the confluence turner. It tells us when you leave this band, the trend will take off. The trend is going to take off all the way down. Here, same thing. When you enter in the band and look at the color of the band, right? You might want to see who is going to give me the idea where it is going. Now this is going short. This is wants to go long. So this is accumulation going on between these two. But there was no other signal except for this going long. But this one did not give us a signal. See that? Because this guy turned earlier. All the market made bottom here. Caught beautifully, but this guy did not turn until daily turned first. The one touch, two touch, third touch down, and then we see the strength is coming in, and daily took it off first, then 3-day took it off, and then comes the weekly. So right now, look at these patterns, sync up all of them together. If they sync up nicely in the same spot, we have a very strong confluence of shorts. This is also a short on weekly. I posted here. Look on daily, it's already telling us to go short. So you can take all these great swing points with protected hedge fund structures. If you want to learn, friends and traders, on this, how to do tactical trading on using this phenomena where you control your risk. There's not a zero risk phenomena in this market, but if you want to control the risk, as we have been talking, our 3-year anniversary is coming when we started doing the videos end of the year. I would highly suggest you look at some few tools which will really reshape your approach to markets using none other than 369forecast.com. Thank you so much.